Hi everyone, how's everyone doing out there tonight? This is Inspired Creations. How is everyone out there doing? Today is Friday at 10 after 9. I don't know if you're going to get this before midnight, but I will be uploading my video. I know it's going to take about maybe an hour, so I'm not sure. But I just want to say thank you all to my new subscribers that have been subscribing to my channel. And I just want to thank you to my subscribers who have been rocking with me from the beginning. I appreciate you all. Tonight we're going to be working on a faux leather keychains. So I got a couple of faux leather that I got here. And it's called Leather Craft Fabric. Now, I didn't cut a couple of pieces already. It's very thin. And I'm trying to see what kind of faux leather that, to use. Because it's really thin. But I'm going to go ahead and make the keychains anyway. So like I said, I already cut some of them that you can see, blue and yellow here. And this pack here, I got quite a few pieces here. I got 16 pieces. And I think I can't tell you exactly what size it is. It don't say on here. But I am looking for some faux leather it's a little thicker. And because if I wanted to start making them and selling them, I want them to be at least a little thicker. But in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and make this video. And I'm going to attempt to show you on my laptop here. If you have a design space, or if you have a subscription for design space, excuse me, you get some of the perks with it. And so we're going to go ahead and make it tonight. I miss you guys and ladies and gentlemen so much. I said, I got to make my video. Okay, so I'll measure this. This is going to be, well, you have to go into here to the shapes. I'm always going ahead of myself. And I'm going to pick out this rectangle right here. And I'm just going to move this over here. And you want to measure this at, well, it all depends on how thick you want your keychain. So I'm just going to back up a little bit. And if you can see, it has the width and the height. So we're going to open up this lock here, and we're going to put one here. And then for the height, we're going to do 11. So we're going to close this, and that's how it's going to look, just like this. Okay. Now, I'm not an expert on this, and like I said, I'm going to show you how I do it on my computer, okay, on my laptop. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna click on this, and I'm gonna make about maybe 4 of these. Okay. All right. So go ahead and click this over, just like this. I got one too many on here. And I'm gonna take this one off here. Click on that if you want to take that off, and I'm going to delete it. There we go. So I have 4 right here. I'm going to move this over a little bit. And like I said, it all depends on how thick you want your faux leather. So what I'm going to do is shadow this, just like that. And also I'm going to now attach it. And then I'm going to change this color to, hi, grandbaby. Hi. I got my granddaughter over here. I got my son. All right, so I'm going to change this color to pink. Okay, so we're going to change this to pink. Well, that looks like red. Okay, pink. There we go. All right, so right now we're going to make it. It says save it. Not right now. Okay. And so I'm going to move this down a little bit right here. And I already have this already set up. And it looks like this. Let me turn this. Let me see what size this is. It's a 1 by 11. It's the size of it. Yeah. All right, so, okay, so right now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn this over because you wanted to, you know, give a nice cut here. Okay. There we are. And so we're going to go ahead and put this in. You want to use a purple mat as well because I guess it sticks better. So that's something I can think of because a lot of people that make these, a lot of people that make these faux leather keychains, I noticed they use a purple mat. I'm not sure why, but we're going to use this purple mat because they all use those purple mats. I did put this on custom on here because why is because you want to change this to here because it's a 12 by 12 mat I'm using. Okay, so I put that on 12 by 12. And you can use whatever, I have an Explorer 2, is what I have. So if you have a Cricut, not a Cricut, if you have a Cricut Maker, yes, a Cricut Maker or whatever machine that you have, what they call die cutters, you can use what you have. So I'm going to go ahead. You don't have to mirror it. So I'm going to go ahead and hit continue. So I'm just waiting. It's taking a minute to think. Okay, and the reason why I have it on custom because I already have my the ones that I use. I have them already marked, and so we're gonna use fabric, faux leather paper thin because they are really thin. And then, like I said, you want to turn this over because it gets a better cut. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to turn this. Well, hold on. Before we do that, I'm ahead of myself. Are you sure you want to cancel the cut? Yes. Okay. You see this line right here? You don't want to have it go up to that up there too close because then it's going to hold on a second. Okay. See, I got this too close. Let me see. Maybe, you know what? I'm going to cancel this. See, what's good? One good thing about this, where you see it says combine, detach, and flatten. I'm going to go ahead and detach. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and detach. Okay, then I'm going to go over here where it says make. I'm going to make it. Hopefully that helped. Okay, it did. Okay, that way I can move it myself. And you want to move them apart. You know, you don't want to go up too far to that line. You want to come down just a little bit. And like I said, I'm only going to cut 4 of them right now. And like I said, I already have a few already cut. And I just want to show you. And see this right here. I keep going back on to the long mat. And I want this to be 12 by 12. There we go. All right, so now I got to move it again because you don't want to be too close together. There we are. Okay. Okay, move over just a little bit more right here. Okay. All right, so now we're going to go ahead to hit continue. Just give it a minute to think. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hit fabric over here and faux leather paper thin. Okay. And so I have it on, I think I'm going to put more pressure. And it's already, let me see. All right, so this right here, I'm going to hit that button right there. All right, so now it's going to make it. And where this C right here is going off, that means it's ready to cut. Okay, so here we go. I miss you guys so much. I'm so sorry I didn't get a chance and see how it messed up a little bit. It's best if you put tape on it so you can hold it down. Okay. Yeah, it's better if you just put tape. I can't find my tape, so make sure you put tape on yours. Okay. And you know what? Maybe I didn't have to put more pressure because it's so thin. So maybe I should have just put, you know, just a regular default on there.